Good afternoon, and thanks for joining me. My name is Tom Fotios with Vanguard Motor Sales, and today we are standing in front of a beautiful 68 Mustang Fastback with a complete modern day drivetrain. Talk about a rip and roaring ride here. Come on up, let's take a look around this bad boy. Under the hood we have a 2001, it's out of a Bullitt Mustang, and I'll tell you what, this car is probably one of the funnest cars I've ever driven. You'll see on the road ride, but we handpicked this, and I just thought it was a hoot with the modern day drivetrain, with no headaches like the carburation and all that. It's a southern body and a completely solid, gorgeous vehicle. Let's take a walk around. All the chrome, body, everything's absolutely gorgeous in this car. Interior, I think I forgot to mention, it also has four-wheel disc brakes, which is really special. It's got the torque thrust looking Mustang mags on there. Turn signals in the hood, which work. Pretty sweet ride here. It's got a fold down rear seat too. Let's get in the trunk and take a look as well. It's got a rear mounted battery because of the the engine compartment's absolutely filled in here with the motor. Nice solid trunks. Those are light. Those little round things you see in the trunk are actually reflections coming in through the back. Really nice straight car though. Nice and solid. Torque boxes are in great shape. It's a beautiful ride. Gets a lot of looks. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful black interior. It's sporting a 5-speed, I believe it's 5-speed. Yeah, 5-speed manual transmission. It was probably the original one that came with the motor as well. They have the gauges hooked up, which is nice. Headliner's in really good shape. It's just a fun little unit to drive. Alright Aubrey, you ready to go for a ride in this resto mod? This has always been one of my dreams to have a modern day technology motor inside an old Mustang like this, and this thing is just a hoot. I mean, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. If you're thinking about building one of these yourself, call me today. Buy this one. It won't last but probably 10 days. They'll be off our out of our inventory. So don't wait. Don't watch the bidding. Call Tom today. Let's put a deal together. 248-974-9513. Don't forget to join us on Facebook.com at facebook.com Ford/Vanguard Motor Sales. You guys ready for the 7-mile spin out? This one's gonna be a hoop. I can feel it already. Listen to that bad boy. Wow! Wow, what a treat that was. This car is a little rocket. Thanks for joining us at VanguardMotorsales.com. Stay tuned for our next pass.